Okay, coaches, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna stage a situation real quick. I want you to see the difference between Mark staying in the gun and finishing the shot, or him lifting his head, causing a miss, and he'll shoot over the target. Now we're creating this scenario. However, this is very common. You're gonna see this daily. These are the things we can focus on and watch our athlete make the shot. That way we can make the corrections, and we're allowing the S1 unit to be our eyes. Our bionic eye. Remember, it's seeing the target, seeing the shot, and giving us a break factor. This is information we've never had before. Now I can focus on Mark. All right, let's see you do it.
Full.
Okay, now he hammered that one. This gave him, his reaction time was 0.48 seconds. He smashed the target. It was just 6 inches to the right of center, but it was a complete smash. So that had a break factor of 4. That's as high as you can get. Now, create a miss for me, Mark. Lift your head out of the gun.
Full.
So now you saw him peek up out of the gun to see the target, which is what people do. And he shot with a 0.53 reaction time. And it's going to tell us how far he was. 54 inches over the target. So that's data that you never would have had before. This is this information that'll make you a better coach. You can focus on your student and let the S1 unit call the shot.